Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Consider the transformative power of green spaces in your urban environment. Parks and gardens aren't just for aesthetics. They play a crucial role in enhancing mental well-being. Studies show that spending at least 20 minutes a day in these lush areas can significantly reduce stress and improve mood. Try incorporating a daily walk in your local park or a quick meditation session surrounded by greenery. These small steps can make a big difference in your mental health. Share your experiences with nature's healing touch or tag someone who needs a reminder to embrace these urban sanctuaries. Follow for more insights on living a more fulfilling life.